What's up, everybody? So we are going to make some Rotel Dip. So I got some blocks of cheese, cut them up into squares. I use some cheddar, some marble, and some pepper jack. Some of my favorites. Use whatever cheese you like. Then I ground up some turkey meat, and I did add more ground turkey meat later, just wasn't in the video. You can use whatever type of meat that you like, or even some ground up impossible not meat. And then I use some green peppers, some purple onions, because you know we got to have that schlinktening to it. And then I use a block of cream cheese. So that's what I'm adding right here. Then diced tomatoes, and then you're gonna let it cook for about 30 minutes or until your cheese is melted, and it's gonna come out looking like this, good cheesy. And as you can see, I added a little bit more meat into it, you know. And then we're gonna get us some chips and we're gonna dip, and there it is. Boom, Rotel Dip. And make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. As always, not a chef. See ya.